So welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can design a website for a law firm. So to build a brand distinct from others, one of the best ways to start is to have a website of your own. So we're going to see how you can design a website for a law firm. So kindly stay and watch to the end. So we're going to use a particular post. So we're going to use Post Africa. So we click on it. Start by searching for search for check for the domain availability. So it is available. So click on it. You can stick with domain area. No warranty. So now we've gotten selected the domain as it's available. We now head over and pick web hosting. Choose the package. So just click this. So select for famous. So there's an existing domain name that we've selected earlier. So search for it. It's already here. So click on it. So it's added to the list. So when you've done, click here now. So we're going to just proceed from here to make payment. Next time we are through with this payment section, we'll be checking our email for the account information which we will use to proceed to the next stage of this video. So move to the next video. Go ahead to check our email now for the account information after payment has been done. So we'll see you on the other side of the video. You see account, you see details of account information. You see account information details, that's what we're using. That's what you're using login for your list. So that's what we're using login. So we now head over to install WordPress on your website. So we go head over. So when you open up your control panel, you start color app installer. Click on WordPress. So when you have done that, you now scroll down, click install now. Then you pick up the domain you want to use. Pick up the domain, change the name. So choose a good username. Copy the password.
At $BTUM$90.
Put the email. So these are not needed. activate for this host, depending on your host. Click install. So as you can see, it has been installed on that. Let's check. As you can see, WordPress has been installed on the site. So we're now going to modify it and install it here. So we go back and click on this administrative URL link. So it take you to the backend. So ignore this and go to the admin dashboard of WordPress. So this is it. This is the admin backend. First of all, go to your install plugins. Remove this. Deactivate. Remember, this could be different for your web host. So you just have to have this deleted. Now, this is how the site looks at the moment. So I'm going to make it more presentable by downloading a theme for it. So we're over to plugins and click on Add Plugin. Over here, click on Ouya add-on. So this is the plugin here. You can see it has 600 active installations and it was updated just 4 days ago, and this is 1st of January. So what you do now is to click install. So it's not active, so click activate. So continue it as because it has been installed in Elementor, the foundational plugin for it. So click install in Elementor now. So it's not active, so click activate plugin. So we're now back to the WordPress. So let's complete it as a question. Let's go back to plugin, install plugins. You can see the Elementor plugin and the Elementor add-on. So the question that you are just one step away. So let's click activation now to click the Elementor add-ons, additional plugins. So skip this. So the Ouya template have been installed. So as you can see, we have different mixed here. You have mixed, free and premium. So click free. Then scroll and look for Lawframe. Here. As you can see, you can find lawyer here. So you click on it. You can see we have So let's preview it, and you can see the one package frequently asked questions, reviews, and this. So I'm now going to import this plugin, this template rather. So let's click import. See, okay. So you can see it has not been imports have been successful. It has been imported. So let us visit site. As you can see, the site feature has been imported. And the purchase area, finish line, payment loss, qualification, classic knowledge experience, income, version, expert lawyer, that attorney reviews. Those reviews, a good template. That's frequently asked question. Contact. Here. Yeah, you can request appointments. Yeah, social media handles, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn and Instagram. Let's go back so to edit this template to your own thing, come here and click edit the Elementor. So it has not it's not up now. So to edit this, you now have to click this. To change this, you change it. Yeah. So when you've done that, usually just click so you indicate for all to change pictures. I don't want to change picture of this. Come here, we edit click, come over here, this portion here, click on style. Yeah, control frame of so that the divider can use this to text editor, can use to list the button this thing, so it's what we use for it. So the section here, so we click on here, click here. We click the section here, so we click here. So this is to change the picture. Click choose picture. You can upload and you can select which one I have from the library. I just choose let's change this one and put it this. So select so the picture has been changed to publish. So just click review to see view the site. So as you can see, these are the changes we made here. There's no thing. The main pictures which change that as reflected. So this is how you can design a website for a law firm. Consider this a good template that you can use for your own website and modify it to your needs to suit your client's needs. So I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Kindly take our time to watch our other videos. Subscribe and like. If you have any question, you can comment below. Thank you for watching.